just spray painting my coffee table. I need to take this pole down and I need to just do it today. But yeah, I'm just standing outside. It's like 7 something in the morning and I'm like, let me go ahead and get this coffee table spray painted because I was so ready for it to be done yesterday. I'm gonna definitely keep dealing with this Lowe's spray paint. I've never seen this before, but it's only like $2.98. So, and it did a good job. It didn't make my fingers sore like, you know, most of the cheaper spray paints, because it does have like a fatter nozzle. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna be glad when that's done. I already started like styling the coffee table while it was still brown, but I know it's gonna look much better when it's black. I wish I had like glass to go on it, but I don't, so I'll keep my eyes open for that, like at a thrift store or something. Just letting this table dry. I know it looks really liney, but that's just the way that I spray painted it up there, but I did do it in every direction, so it should dry pretty evenly. All right, so I spray painted this table black. The top is a little imperfect. That's probably due to the $2 spray paint because I've never really dealt with this before. I feel like I went over it like 3 times. I wasn't gonna keep doing it and doing it and doing it. It'll be covered up anyway by the decorative stuff, but overall, I mean, I like the black better than that brown color just being in here out of nowhere, and everything else is like, you know, gray, black, white, whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna let this dry some more before I try to decorate it, definitely. But I've already set like that stuff on it, so that's probably what will go back onto it. I did see a larger one of these at Goodwill, so if I go back to the Goodwill, I might get that and just sit the larger size on here with like a candle inside. It's really early. It's 9:25 now, and I already got a little project out of the way.
Later that same evening.
All right, guys, I went to the thrift store and got the larger version of these. So it's like that size. I can even line it up like that if I wanted to. This one was $5. These were literally 99 cents. So that kind of sucks, but whatever. I mean, $7 for these 3. I think that's a really nice deal. So yeah, I'm probably gonna put this one on the coffee table, but I'm gonna change it. So I'll show y'all how it looks when I get finished. Right, this is how I just styled the coffee table. This is a very small table, so I can't really do too much with it, but I feel like this will be a cute little addition. I've had this candle for freaking years, for like 3 or 4 years. I lit it once, I think, but I didn't let it really burn. But yeah, I like this, and I definitely want to keep coasters on this since it is spray painted. If I find a glass round tabletop, I'll try to get it, but of course I didn't see one, so you know, it's just spray painted. It looks a little blotchy, but I'm actually cool with that. I feel like that adds a cute little, like, I don't know, detail. So yeah, this is how it looks. I feel like this would be very pretty lit. I feel like my house is like, I don't know, like a neutral bohemian farmhouse. It's just like a combination. Let me get from behind the pole, but yeah, like the farmhouse sign is pretty much the only thing making it farmhousey, but and this large clock and this setup over here, I feel like also can lean in the farmhouse direction. I don't really have like a specific theme for my house. This is the top to the candle. It looks like that. So if I want to put that on, then it'll look like that. But yeah, I just basically, you know, have a very neutral home. And I don't know, I like it. It's very self-made. I like decorated this little mirror, put the texture around the frame. I made these. I like bought this from a thrift store and redid it because this was brown, and I like removed all the hardware and painted it gray. I made this little tray thing myself, or at least added these onto it, and I like it a million times better now. So yeah, it just feels very custom in here, and I like it. I also just bought this too yesterday, and I really like it. I can't wait to make like a little bougie charcuterie plate. Like customize my own dresser, put all these little details on the front and painted it. But my house, you know, is coming together. I am really interested in getting a larger mirror over here, like a rectangular shaped one that's lighted. It doesn't even have to be rectangular. I've seen some that are like dome shaped that I also like. But yeah, like I made this art myself, made this art over here myself, and I feel like that's like one of the best ways to really enjoy your space, is to customize everything.
Later.
Guys, I'm in here having a freaking crisis of storage. And it's my fault. Basically I decided to just try to put my shoes into this little area because I had these pants in there, but I'm like, okay, why have the pants away from the tops? So basically now I've just put the shoes in here instead. So now I'm about to dismantle this thing, cut it with the saw, and make a shelf to go up here because I want to add another shelf right here. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do, so I can have more storage for shoes, because these knee boots are not allowing me to, you know, fit any shorter shoes right there. So yeah, I still have other knee boots that just aren't gonna fit in there, but I'll just like lay those down somewhere. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do, turn into Brenda the Builder and cut another 1 or 2 shelves out of this thing, because this is the closest thing I can find to, like, you know, a shelf that's around my house. And this top one honestly doesn't get used anyway, because I had it in this closet. I had that shelf on top of this one, and it can't, you know, get used because it's too close to the ceiling. Y'all know I made this little wallpaper myself, in case you're wondering. But yeah, so let me go and do some measurements on this thing so I can saw it, and hopefully it fits in here perfectly. All right, got it off. It still looks like this. I just lined the real one up with the fake one, so this is where I need to saw it. This is the saw. I got this from Lowe's for like $12, I think. I've officially started sweating, but I have gotten this far. So all right, so what I did was put one of the bottom ones up at the top, so I feel like that's more in your face. So just put one of the original shelves up there and put the hacked shelf down here, so y'all can see it's a little shorter than the original shelves, which I don't mind. I mean, I'm gonna be the only one using this cabinet, so yeah, that's fine. I'm just gonna sit my sneakers on this level, and yeah, now I have some more space up there and right here, so I'm glad with how it turned out. See, with the shoes in there, you can't even tell that there's a gap in the back. So yeah, I'm gonna finish filling up this row and then move on to all these mountains of pants. Hey guys, so I'm taking a walk. It's so humid though, I really don't want to be walking. But also, I hate to be recording this nasty looking dumpster, but I'm also working, so I don't really have a choice but to come on outside in this nasty feeling weather. some people probably don't really think that it's bad, but y'all know I'm from the north. So this humid stuff always like irritates me. But anyway, I'm just gonna be out here for a while doing this. If they don't, send a trip in a timely fashion, I did bring some sneakers so I can go to the gym. I just put on slides right now, but yeah, if they don't go ahead and like give me something to do out here, then I'll just go ahead and go to the gym where it's air conditioned, because I was about to be scared as hell. This man's dog looked like a little mini lion.
Put 'em up, put 'em up!
Because it was so orange. But yeah, I'll go to the gym if I can't get any trips. I'm not gonna go to the thrift store because I've been going ham. Like, I got too much stuff from there, so I can't keep going there. Shut up, bird.
I thought I tore a pooty cat.
But yeah, I want to actually get some branches. These look kind of weird, but I want to get some branches and spray paint them. I do that every few years, just incorporate branches into my home decor. But I don't know, I don't know, I always get tired of it after a while, and then I just go ahead and get rid of them. But if I see some branches when I get like ready to go in the house, then I'll grab some. Came to the gym. It's too hot out here to be outdoors, so might as well be a different type of sweaty with some air conditioning.
Tomorrow.
Hey y'all, so I'm in the mall. I'm like on a date. So we're gonna just stroll around the mall and then go to Dave & Buster's, I think. I'm not sure. But I bought some little drinks from the gas station. So I've been sipping on one of them. Look, somebody's great vlog as always. Merle Sampson just commented. So thank you for commenting. I just read it on my phone. But yeah, I drank one of those. I still have another drink in this bag. This is what I wore, by the way. It's not really, a cute outfit, but I was just like struggling to find something to put on. So I just settled on this because I wanted to wear this bag. So I was like, I have to wear something kind of colorful. I'm at McDonald's. Let me stop being stupid. You could tell I was born in the 80s dancing to this. But y'all, this order is 4 miles and 22 something. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm definitely doing that. So y'all better stop sleeping on these delivery jobs. If I get a different job, it's probably still gonna include delivering something. Like, I'm trying to research like medical delivery stuff, but gotta look more into that. There's nobody in here. I mean, it's like one person sitting over there on the other side, but anyway, I hope they hurry up. I'm about to rush them tonight because I'm not missing out on this $23 because they taking forever. But anyway, I'll talk to y'all in a second.
The next day.
Hey y'all, came to the gym. Obviously I'm sweating, but I'm gonna stay here for about 45 more minutes and then leave out.
I love it when they try to get into it, even though they know I really ain't into it.
You're not into it.
I'm not into it. I already know the game and I've been through it. See, I buy my own bags, my boots, my jeans, will a rock with my rebel yell underneath. You wanna step to me? Since you got a long way to go. Rock with me. You claim that you're so
Hey guys, so today is Saturday. Let me take out the AirPods. Today's Saturday and I'm just leaving the gym. I also took a walk outside, but I didn't even try to record because honestly my mood today was just kind of off. That's why I was like, let me just go work out, because that usually, you know, puts me in a better mood. I don't even know why, but my sister was saying maybe it's because of my seasonal affective disorder. I just like diagnosed myself with that. But I notice when it's not sunny, like I'm just not in a good mood. But even though it's not sunny, it's also like humid, so that also can like play a role in it, because it's like, okay, it's still not nice weather, but it's like no sun either to like just make you feel better. But anyway, I just also went to a grocery store really fast because for some reason I'm really wanting some jalapeno peppers, and I also just bought some chicken to like cook with it, because I made a recipe one time and it was like chicken, carrots, celery, and jalapeno peppers, and then I had like jasmine rice on the side, and it was so good. So I just like was scrolling through Pinterest earlier and I saw something that reminded me of that recipe, so I was like, yeah, I need to go get that like ASAP. I was really trying to get cilantro and lime. I did buy limes too. I might have to stop at a different store and see if they have cilantro, because the one thing that I had on my list just was not there. Oh, I should have just went to Walmart, and I might still go, honestly. I ordered a KitchenAid chopper recently, and now that I have that, I feel like I can make some bomb cilantro lime rice. So yeah, I might have to just go ahead and go to Walmart, because I don't feel like going to a different store. And plus I need to go to Walmart and get some white spray paint, because y'all, I feel like I have a problem with like spray paint, because I'm always spray painting something.
I gotta stay in my zone. Say that we been beefing, dog, but you on your own. First night, she gon' let me fuck 'cause we grown.